Welcome to the Stockology, getting started with the stock market. In the last lesson, we have studied about comparative analysis between Nifty and other indices. In this lesson, we are going to learn about how to use this tool, which is compare in the trading view, to do the same analysis, also to compare individual sectorial indices with their components. So let's go ahead. I have this Nifty 50 daily chart in front of me. Looking at this chart, I can see that this is a significant bottom which was formed on March 2023. So what I'll do, I'll just take this bottom to the extreme left side of the chart. So what do I see? After this bottom, we have a great rally. Then there was a small correction and currently price is bouncing back. Now, if I want to compare this performance of Nifty from this bottom till now with the other indices, we have already studied one method. There is another way what we can do with this reference of March 2023 at the left hand side. I will click on this compare button and I'll be adding different sectorial indices in this particular chart. So let me add this mid cap, CNX Finance, Bank Nifty, Metal, Private Bank, and PSU Bank. Likewise, you can add even more sectorial indices. Now, what do I see is this particular graph. So, the candlestick graph which is hidden is of Nifty, and this line graph or the simple line chart is represented by different indices. Simply looking at this kind of picture, the indices which are trading above this Nifty are outperforming indices, and the indices which are trading below this Nifty are the underperformance. So let us click onto each of this line graph. If I see which is the strongest, the obviously the supreme most, the superior most one is the highest. So if you click on this, this will get highlighted. So this is mid cap. Next is metal. Next is PSU banks. So if we can conclude that currently mid cap, metal and PSUs are the three sectors which are doing better than Nifty, or they are outperforming as compared to Nifty. So let us look at the underperformance. So what we will do, we will click on this. So this is Bank Nifty. Next is finance, financial services. So these are the indices which are currently underperforming as compared to Nifty. And there is one more graph which is currently trying to go about Nifty chart. So if we click onto this, we will come to know that this is private bank. That means currently private banks are trying to do better than Nifty. So simply looking at this picture, we can categorize different indices and then we can plan our investment ideas into the outperforming or better indices as compared to Nifty. Now, how we can use this compare tool in another way? Let me just remove everything. So now this is Nifty 50. Suppose I have to compare any particular index with the components. So I have a watch list ready with me which is sectorial. So I have different sectors and the components or the stocks in that particular sectors which are already listed. Now if I want to see that private bank, so what I'll do first, we will open Nifty Private Bank Index. Okay, so I have this Nifty Private Bank Index. The bottom is March 2023, or any significant bottom you can determine to calculate. Now with this I'm going to compare different private banks which are belonging to this particular index. So let me add IDFC First Bank, IDFC First Bank, then City Union Bank, then HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, RBL Bank, IndusInd, and Axis. So, uh, any stocks that you would like to compare, that you can add, and then you can compare it with the private bank index. So now looking at this picture, oh, this is RBL Bank. Let me just get back to Nifty Private Bank sector. So now I have Nifty Private Bank, and then with this Nifty Private Bank, now this candlestick is Nifty Private Bank chart, and these are the individual stocks graph. So first is the supreme most is IDFC First Bank. That means IDFC First Bank is way more outperformer as compared to Nifty Private Bank. Second is IndusInd Bank. Let us just add one more bank, which is RBL Bank. Okay, I believe even it is, yeah. So even RBL Bank is better than Nifty Private Bank Index. So if we have to find out top three, then first becomes IDFC First Bank, second is RBL Bank, third is IndusInd. Now look at the underperformance. So if I click onto the charts, the line chart which are below this Nifty Private Bank, first one is HDFC Bank, and then next is CUB. I believe, yes, this is CUB. Okay. So likewise, if I have to start investing into Nifty Private Bank, now I know that which banks will be better to invest. Definitely, we are going to choose the outperformers. This way, you can use this compare tool and analyze that which are the better opportunities for the investment point of view. I hope this tool is helpful to help you decide in the investment ideas. Thank you.